Hi, I'm Veronica.
And I'm Evan from Zoll Medical.
Today we're going to show you how to install your X Series carry case. Place the X Series and the carry bag on a flat surface. Make sure the bag is rotated so that it is resting on its feet. Put the X Series between the two side pockets, making sure the speaker is lined up with the cutout in the front support of the bag. Make sure no straps are caught underneath or on the sides of the device. Pull the top straps underneath the handle and through the back of the unit. Align the rivet with the threaded screw hole and insert included screw through the strap. Fasten tightly with a screwdriver. Repeat this process for the other side. Loop the bottom back strap underneath the auxiliary power cable and through the hook on the other side of the unit. Pull firmly to fasten the Velcro strap. Take the middle strap and feed it through the hook. Pull firmly to fasten the Velcro strap. There are colored tubes that can be used to differentiate the carry case zippers for easy pocket identification. To install, remove the cord from the zipper and slide the colored tubing onto the cords of your choosing. To lower the chance of the cord getting caught on external items, insert the loop end of the cord through the top hole of the zipper and then through the base hole of the zipper. Fix the cord by passing the plastic tip of the cord through the loop and pull tightly. The carrying strap can also be attached to the bag if desired. Attach one of the strap's latches to one of the hooks on the top of the bag. Repeat this process for the other side. Depending on your service location, you may have one of 3 cellular modems. To install, plug the USB into the right side panel and thread the cable underneath the inner pocket. Connect the USB cable to the modem and place the modem in the inner pocket. Ensure that the antenna is pointing upwards. The cables can be neatened with 2 Velcro straps on the inside of the pocket. The excess cables can also be tucked under the flap at the bottom of the pocket.
We hope you enjoy your new X Series carry case.
Thank you and have a nice day.